One of the most powerful organs in the body is the liver. It stores vitamins, minerals, and even carbs in addition to creating proteins, cholesterol, and bile. It is responsible for a wide range of vital functions, including the production of these substances. Toxins such as alcohol, medicines, and natural byproducts of metabolism are another type of substance that it degrades. It is essential to your overall health that you take care of your liver and keep it in excellent condition. There are 6 foods that are the best for maintaining a healthy liver. Number 1. Olive oil. If you have been instructed by your physician to switch to an oil that increases insulin sensitivity, lowers stagnation in the liver, and increase the levels of liver enzymes in the blood, then it is high time that you give olive oil some serious consideration as a medium for cooking. Number 2. Fatty fish. Those who have a passion for seafood should make it a point to incorporate fresh tuna, anchovies, sardines, and mackerel into their monthly diet. Our bodies experience less inflammation as a result of the omega-3 fatty acids that are abundant in these fatty fish. According to research, they not only keep enzyme levels in the liver stable, but also prevent the accumulation of extra lipids. Number 3. Leafy greens. As a result of their high chlorophyll content, green leafy vegetables are able to remove a significant amount of pollutants from the circulation. Considering that they are abundant in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, as well as the fact that they do not add an excessive amount of calories to your diet, they are the meal of choice. A diet that is abundant in leafy greens has been shown to lower the risk of developing obesity, cardiovascular disease, and high blood pressure. Number 4. Nuts. Nuts, which are rich in both fats and nutrients, are beneficial to the digestive tract. The consumption of nuts was observed to result in an increase in the levels of liver enzymes. Walnuts are an excellent source of glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are known to naturally help liver cleaning. Therefore, you should incorporate walnuts into your diet in enough. The liver benefits from the abundance of vitamins that are found in almonds. Number 5. Garlic. Consuming garlic, which is rich in antibacterial compounds and selenium, stimulates enzymes that are responsible for liver detoxification. Toxins are eliminated from the body by these enzymes, which act to eliminate them. Number 6. Fruits and berries. It is important to make sure that your diet includes grapefruit, apples, avocados, and any other citrus fruits. The liver is stimulated by these fruits, which are also beneficial to the digestive tract. Fresh juices are also beneficial to the liver in their own right. Consuming these meals cleanses the liver. The key to a successful diet is to consume food in moderation and to adhere to a rigorous and organized exercise routine.